What do we have on the ceiling? A ceiling fan!
And the vent fan in the bathroom, the outside has a light, they all work. There's switches everywhere.
Switches.
There's outlets. And there's a smoke alarm.
A smoke alarm. Yay. Some outlets.
They put the wall.
This kind of wall? Beadboard?
Look up.
Okay.
Trim one. And then something different, please.
Something different, okay. Brooksy sanded and helped install the microwave shelf, vent fan, and the smoke detector turned out to be in the wrong spot for what we had intended to be a barn door. So we had to regroup on that door. Brooks and I are out here at Tiny House to show you how Granny's kind of starting to straighten things up. What'd you find, Sawyer?
A Roy boy.
Show me.
I.
Oh, be kind to him. Don't hurt him.
The bed. Legs on this part.
Legs on the bed and put it in the corner
Yeah, from right here.
like a day bed.
Yeah. I think. Maybe. I don't know. And then the closet goes right there.
Little
And then
closet.
from here. See this is where the sink's gonna go.
Okay, gotta put a sink there.
Here for the bathroom.
So we had mentioned before that the smoke detector was in the wrong spot for a barn door, but I think we still got enough space to just put the barn door under where the smoke detector is.
Look.
New light switches, yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah, it controls the vent fan. Awesome.
And then look.
Oh, the ceiling fan's in. Looks good.
Come here. So we last time we put this up.
Okay, shelf. Is that where the microwave's gonna sit?
And where
Some beadboard paneling, tongue and groove paneling.
and is where the microwave's gonna go on. And I don't know.
Is the kitchen area, right?
Look, there's a loft.
The loft, and then she's gonna have some storage space above the bathroom area. She's already got her.
A loft up there.
She's got her fridge plugged in.
This is where the door would go.
Yes, we've talked about the door. Is she just gonna use the loft over here for storage?
When it's winter, the summer clothes go there. When it's summer, the winter clothes go there.
Sounds like a good system. Show me the most important thing in the fridge right now. We've got a place to store the juicy juice. That makes Brooks happy. Wait, I'm sorry, what else are you excited about being in the fridge? Pimento cheese. You really like pimento cheese, huh? Yeah. So nice and tidy compared to the old version. What do you have? Show me. Aunt Sissy sending you home with a bag of treats?
Yeah.
Huh. Thanks, Aunt Sissy. Just what he needs.